hundreds of bugs a day. And in many parts of Africa, they are protected as a natural form of pest control. Kind of hard to tell from our tram, but those East African crown cranes average 3 to 4 feet tall. We'll get a closer look at some Rothschild's giraffe. And in between the foothills, some fringe-eared oryx. The antelope with the long, sharp horns and thin black outline. Some of these species are only comfortable breeding in groups or large herds. Oh, speaking of a large herd, yeah, here comes a group of 1-year-old Rothschild's giraffe at the base of the road on our right. And this is a herd of 21 individuals, one of the most successful breeding herds of Rothschild's giraffe in North America. These 1-year-olds, as I mentioned earlier, just about double their birth heights. And they do hang out in a group. You could call it another crash. If I have my roster correct, we've got two young babies under 3 months old, 5 pregnant females, 6 1-year-olds, a bunch of teenagers, and 1 bull or male. Oh, okay, follow the dirt road up the hill. You'll see a truck with a canopy feeding acacia leaves to a giraffe. That's a photo caravan. You can check with guest relations for those. And they're also around some southern white rhinoceros, which represent one of the most successful breeding programs in our park. Back in the 1960s, there were less than 1,000 southern white rhinos because of poaching and loss of habitat. But we figured out how to breed them in the 1970s, and we have had over 90 southern white rhinos born here. And by sharing what we've learned about them with other facilities, we've helped to increase their numbers to over 18,000 today. You might get a longer look at those rhinos and giraffe if you head up to Kalima Point. Look past the fence out on the right. There's thatched umbrellas and tan canopies, and the view from there is inspiring. But I hope that my tour and your day here at the Wild Animal Park inspire you to take a more active role in conservation. You could start by contributing to or becoming a member of the Wild Animal Park. But any way that you choose to support conservation will help a wide variety of species, including the king of bees. Lions face a lot of challenges in the wild. They've got to compete with each other for food, water, territory, or mates. And then there's their neighbors that they're competing with, leopards, hyenas, and cheetahs. But they're also competing with people, farms, and cities. And we may need our help to continue to survive. You can visit our lions up at Lion Camp. I'll tell you how to walk up there in just a minute. Once we come to a stop that's at the station, you can exit the door on the right side of the vehicle and head all the way up to the front. I'll be there if you have any questions. Once you've exited the